Let's get real. Your evening isn't just leftover time, it's your secret weapon, quietly waiting for you at the end of every day. While the world winds down, your evening holds the power to shape your tomorrow, and even your future self. Most people treat evenings like scraps, just waiting to crash and repeat the grind. It's easy to fall into the trap of numbing out with endless scrolling or mindless TV, thinking you're recharging, when really, you're just running on autopilot. But your evening is your reset button, a chance to refuel and set up tomorrow's success. It's the perfect window to check in with yourself, reflect on your day, and gently shift your mindset for what's next. Think of it like fueling a high-performance car. You wouldn't use junk, so don't waste your evening on mindless scrolling or zoning out. Instead, choose activities that actually nourish you, whether that's reading, stretching, or simply enjoying a quiet cup of tea. A good evening leads to good sleep, and good sleep powers a great tomorrow. The quality of your rest is directly tied to how you wind down, so treat your evenings as the foundation for your energy, focus, and mood the next day. This isn't about adding more to your plate, it's about being intentional. Even small rituals like planning your next day or tidying up your space can make a huge difference in how you feel. Swap draining habits for ones that actually recharge you. Decide your evenings matter. Try gentle movement, a nourishing snack, or a few minutes of gratitude journaling, whatever helps you unwind and reconnect. You deserve rest, joy, and peace. Your evening is a chance to reconnect with loved ones, savor small pleasures, and remind yourself that you're more than your to-do list. When you respect your evenings, you respect yourself. You send a message that your well-being matters, and that you're worth the effort it takes to create a life you love. Small shifts tonight can lead to big results over time. Consistency is key. Even the tiniest positive change, repeated night after night, can transform your mindset and your mornings. You don't need a total life overhaul, just a new mindset. Start with one small habit and let it grow. Your evenings can become a sanctuary, a time to recharge and dream bigger. So let's talk about simple hacks to own your evenings. You work hard. You owe it to yourself to create a gentle landing at the end of each day so you can rise stronger tomorrow. You deserve a part of the day that's just for you. Whether it's a bath, music, or simply sitting in silence, claim this time as your own. Believe you're worthy of a better evening. Give yourself permission to slow down, breathe, and enjoy the peace you've earned. Change your evenings? Change your life. Let's dive in and unlock the power of your evenings together. That phone in your hand, it's quietly stealing your evenings, one notification at a time. You might not even notice it happening, but every time you pick it up, you're pulled away from the world around you. It's like a magnet for your attention, and before you know it, hours have slipped by. You check one thing, maybe a message, maybe a quick news update, and suddenly 2 hours are gone, lost to endless scrolling. The apps are designed to keep you hooked, feeding you an infinite stream of content that never really satisfies. This scroll to oblivion is the biggest thief of your time and energy. It leaves you feeling drained, restless, and somehow still wanting more. The more you scroll, the less you actually experience. Take charge. Put your phone away at night. Make it a conscious choice, not just a habit. Decide that your evenings belong to you, not your screen. Don't let it be the last thing you see before you sleep, or the first thing you reach for in the morning. Give your mind a break from the constant buzz. Get a real alarm clock. It's a simple switch, but it can make a huge difference. You'll wake up more refreshed, without the temptation to start your day with a scroll. Charge your phone in another room. Out of sight, out of mind. You'll be amazed at how much easier it is to wind down and actually relax. If going cold turkey feels impossible, use app timers to limit your social media. Set boundaries for yourself and stick to them. Your future self will thank you. When your timer says stop, actually stop. Don't ignore it. Treat it like a promise to yourself. The goal isn't to ditch your phone forever, but to break the cycle of mindless consumption. It's about using your phone with intention, not letting it use you. You'll feel calmer, more present, and more in control of your time. Your evenings will start to feel like yours again. Put the phone down and connect with your family, a book, or even just silence. Rediscover the simple joys that don't require a screen. These moments refuel you. Scrolling doesn't. Real life is happening all around you, and it's so much richer than anything on your feed. Tonight, try 1 hour without your phone. Fill it with something you love or something you've always wanted to try. You might be surprised at how quickly the time passes. Notice how much more alive the real world feels. The colors, the sounds, the laughter, none of it can be replaced by a screen. Your phone should serve you, not control you. Take back your evenings and make them count. Reclaim your time. One evening at a time. Build a new routine that leaves you feeling fulfilled, not frazzled. You might be surprised by what you've been missing. Give it a shot. Your best evenings are waiting for you, just beyond the screen. Do you ever find yourself staring at your evening to-do list, feeling completely overwhelmed before you even begin? Maybe you're exhausted from the day, but your mind keeps racing with all the things you should get done before bed. Here's a simple fix that can transform your nights. The one-task rule. Instead of trying to tackle everything on your list, just pick one small, doable task for the evening. That's it. Just one. Maybe it's loading the dishwasher, folding a basket of laundry, or simply wiping down the kitchen counters. Or perhaps it's replying to a single email that's been nagging at you all day. The task doesn't have to be big or impressive, just something you can finish. Choose something you can complete in about 10 to 15 minutes. Set a timer if you need to, and give yourself permission to stop when it's done. Completing even one task gives you a sense of accomplishment, a small win that can boost your mood and build momentum for tomorrow. Some nights you might find yourself inspired to do a little more, but even if you stop at one, you'll still feel accomplished and at peace. Remember, done is better than perfect. It's not about doing everything, it's about making progress, one step at a time. This approach takes the pressure off your evenings. You don't need to treat your home like a second job after work. By focusing on just one task, you free your mind from the endless cycle of chores and allow yourself to truly relax and unwind. Don't let the sight of a messy house paralyze you. Just focus on the sink or that one basket of laundry. The rest can wait. Tell yourself, all I'm doing tonight is this one thing. Give yourself permission to let the rest go. Try it tonight. Notice how much lighter you feel when you're not weighed down by an endless list. You're not lazy. You're being strategic and kind to yourself. Progress, not perfection, is the real goal. One task, then rest. Celebrate that win, no matter how small. Over time, these small wins add up. You'll start to build peaceful, restorative evenings that help you recharge for the next day. End your day feeling in control and proud of what you've done. Remember, it all starts with just one task. Give yourself that gift tonight. Work and home life blur together, especially now. To truly relax, you need a clear signal that work is done. Enter the shutdown ritual, a simple daily routine to mark the end of your workday. It could be closing your laptop, changing clothes, or taking 3 deep breaths. Maybe it's a quick walk around the block. The key is consistency. Train your brain to switch off. This boundary lets you be present at home and actually rest. Find a ritual that works for you and stick to it. Take back your evening, starting today. Peace of mind is just one ritual away. Tired but restless? Your brain's not tired, it's overstimulated from screens. Instead of more TV or scrolling, swap some screen time for something time. Do something physical, play music, doodle, organize a drawer, water your plants. Engage your senses and reconnect with the real world. Even simple activities ground you and quiet your mind. 30 minutes away from screens can restore you more than another episode ever could. Touch something real, paper, fabric, soil. Let your mind unwind in the present moment. Try it tonight. 30 minutes of something real. You'll feel the difference. Restore. Don't just distract. Evenings shouldn't feel empty or wasted. Change that by planning one small thing you genuinely enjoy. It could be a favorite show, a special drink, or a chapter of a book. Schedule it. Make it a real commitment, not just a wish. This anchor gives your evening purpose and joy. Simple pleasures matter. They're not childish. They're essential. Planning for joy is self-care, not indulgence. Your happiness is worth scheduling. Pick one thing for tonight. Call a friend. Take a bath. Stretch to music. Look forward to it all day. You deserve a bright spot in your evening. Make it intentional. Enjoy it fully. We confuse rest with distraction. Flopping on the couch to scroll or binge watch isn't true rest. It's just numbing out. Real rest is about stillness and quiet, not more stimulation. When you scroll, your brain is still working overtime. True rest is sitting quietly, even for 5 minutes with no screens or noise. At first it feels weird. Your brain craves distraction, but push through, and you'll find your mind resets. Boredom is powerful. It lets your brain process and unwind. Stop wearing exhaustion as a badge. 5 minutes of real rest restores you more than an hour of scrolling. Try it tonight. Just sit, breathe, and let your mind wander. Create space, not just noise. Distraction numbs. Rest heals. Choose restoration over escape. Your mind will thank you. Extreme rules rarely last. Simple, gentle boundaries do. Instead of no screens ever, try no screens after 10 p.m. Or no eating while scrolling. Make rules that are specific, realistic, and protect your evening. These aren't punishments, they're guardrails for your well-being. Choose rules that address your real challenges. Discipline is about loving boundaries, not harsh restrictions. Pick 1 or 2 easy rules to start tonight. Your future self will thank you. Keep it simple, and stick with it. We're obsessed with productivity, even in our downtime, but it's okay, even necessary to do less. Resting on purpose isn't laziness, it's recharging. There's a difference between intentional rest and accidental escape. Choose to rest. Say, I've worked hard, now I'll just be. One is passive, numbing. The other is active restoration. Live your evenings on purpose, not by accident. Don't try every hack at once, pick one that feels right. Maybe tonight, just put your phone away or try the one-task rule. Start small, and build intention into your evenings. Your evenings are a gift. Treat them that way. Let go of guilt for doing less. Design your evenings for peace, not productivity. You deserve it.